The Tale of Three Fishes. In a small stream lived three fishes. Each fish was of a different color, red, blue, and yellow. Yet nothing could separate them. One day, the blue fish was swimming close to the bank and overheard fishermen talk. "Oh, it is time to fish in the stream. The fishes from the river would have swum here for plenty of food. Let's go fishing tomorrow." The worried blue fish swam as quickly as it could to its other two friends. "Listen! Listen! I just overheard fishermen talk. They're planning to catch fish in the stream tomorrow. We must swim to the safety of the river for tomorrow." "Oh, that's all right. They wouldn't catch me, as I'm too quick for them. Also, we have all the food we need here," said the red fish. "But we should just go for a day," said the blue fish. "I agree with the blue fish. This is home, but we need to stay safe," said the yellow fish. They tried to convince their friend, but there was no turning. The next morning, the fishermen cast their net and caught as many fishes as they could. Some were green, some were orange, some were white, and some were multicolored, and among them was a red fish. "What a catch!" called out the fisherman after the long day. Sadness overtook the yellow fish and the blue fish as they returned to see their friend had been caught. So, the moral of the story is, it is important to listen and act wisely when someone warns you about a problem. Prevention is better than cure. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then of course please subscribe my channel and like my page. Thank you for watching.